care for persons on board, and environment. Safety precautions during working in enclosed space. Enclosed space. It is a space which is not used for day-to-day activity and which has any of the following characteristics. Limited opening for entry and exit. Inadequate ventilation. Is not designed for continuous worker occupancy. The presence of any one of the characteristics as stated above can make space an enclosed space. A ship-specific list should be available to identify all enclosed spaces on board, and should be displayed in public spaces. The most common confined spaces on board ships are cargo holds, chain locker, cofferdams, water tanks, void spaces, duct keels, fuel tanks, engine crankcases, exhaust, and scavenge receiver. Any area on the ship that has been left closed for any length of time without ventilation must be considered dangerous. Changes in the environment of a space which is not labeled unsafe can also make space unsafe, for example, failure of fixed ventilation or from the migration of hazardous vapors from an adjacent hazardous space. It is best practice to not to enter a dangerous space, however onboard crew members have to enter enclosed spaces for a number of reasons including routine inspection of tanks, ballast tanks, DB tanks, checking if a tank is dry before loading, cleaning of tanks or holds, maintenance including painting, repairing, etc. Dangers and hazards associated with enclosed spaces can be lack of oxygen. The acceptable range of oxygen in an enclosed space is between 19.5% to 23.55%. Oxygen in any compartment can reduce due to many factors. Rusting of steel parts is the most common one. We all know that rusting is nothing but the process of oxidation, thus oxygen is consumed. Oxygen can also be consumed by activities like hot work, welding, or due to the occurrence of fire. Inert gases entering the space can also deplete the oxygen content. Remaining traces from discharged cargoes such as iron ore, coal can absorb oxygen. Hazardous vapors. Presence of toxic vapors can make space deadly even if there is no lack of oxygen or the compartment is oxygen enriched. A person may suffer from eye irritation, headache, or even become unconscious if he or she inhales toxic gases. A higher concentration of toxic gases can also cause death. Leakage of hazardous materials from adjacent space. Insufficient or no ventilation. There could be high chances of presence of toxic gases or absence of oxygen, both cases being lethal for man entry. Restricted space. Restricted or limited space in any compartment can make rescue attempts from inadequate lighting. Personal injury due to slips, trips, and fall. Because of zero ventilation, these enclosed places generate and store toxic gases which are either produced from chemicals stored in the place or leakage from pipelines. If a person enters such a place without taking precaution, he or she may suffer unconsciousness and sometimes even death.